So guys, reset Windows update component. So in the CMD, so click to start, type CMD, then right click, then run as administrator, then click to yes. So I will give you link in descriptions all command. Okay, this command first, this one. Okay, you can run this command Windows 10 also. Okay, then type first, then hit enter. Let net stop and like that. Hit stopping Windows service is Windows update service is stopping. Then next. So if any command is not accept, so you don't worry. Try to different next one. Some Windows version and okay, then yes. Yes, type Y. Yes for Y for yes and for no. Then hit enter. This one. Then same start. This is stop and this is start. Then this one. Last. Okay. So this command I will give you in the descriptions. This is for reset update component.